Hi there, it's Carol Marrock here, giving more information about our potential membership club. So in designing this membership site, each member who joins would learn first, of course, learn their top aging risks by completing the life plan assessment. And after discovering your top risk, you'll be given easy step-by-step strategies, worksheets, forms, videos, activities, and more that guide you to making improvements. And the best part, you will not be left on your own. There will be a community of peers who face similar challenges. And those challenges are the same ones that the life plan assessment really does take a deep dive into and evaluates. And that is your health and caregiving, which is the foundation of solo aging, housing and location, which is choosing the right environment, social connections, which is building and maintaining relationships, building a support network, which is creating your safety net, legal matters, which is securing your affairs, and then finances, which is planning for a secure future. And let's not forget about our faith and spirituality, which is finding meaning and comfort, life purpose, cultivating meaning and engagement, and then transportation and fun and engagement. And each week, members will receive actionable advice, insights from real experts, and real-world examples to guide you toward a more secure, healthy, and fulfilling future. So stay tuned for an upcoming webinar in May. I'll let you know when that will happen. But in the meantime, below in the description of this video, check out the links and click on those that you want to learn more about. So thank you for watching, and please share, like, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks again, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye.